Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing fine. So today we are gonna start with switch statement. So before we start with switch statement, we need to learn like why do we need switch statement in Java. So whenever there are multiple else if, then that time we can go for switch statement also. So you can see here your code looks little complicated to read to debug. So let us create a switch class in order to understand switch statements better. So I'll create a switch demo. I'll check the main method. So um, let's take example. Let's suppose you're testing, okay, you are developing some feature, and feature is like you have developed one app where in app if user type is 1, then it's FB user. Let's suppose I'll say that this user is coming from Facebook. If it is 2, then this user is coming from Google. If the user type is 3, I will say that this user is coming from guest. If the user type is 4, I can say like Instagram. So we can do this, this exercise using else if, and you can do using switch statement. So let's see the same exercise using switch statement. So just write the switch syntax. Okay, so this is switch syntax, guys. So now it says key. So let us first declare the key. What is the key here? So int user type is my, so I'll say user type is a variable, and I'll declare, and I'll just, give some value to it, and the value is 1. Now take this user type and pass into the key. Okay, and now the value, the value we can say that this is case 1, we'll say. Okay, case 1. So we'll say if user type is 1, this is the value. If user type is 1, what is the value, guys? It's a Facebook user. So we'll say it's a FB user. Now break. Now again we need to write 3 more cases. So we'll say case 2. It's a Google user. So we'll say it's a Google user. Now let us take one more, case 3. What is case 3? It's a guest user. So we'll say it's a guest user. Now one more case is there. What is it? Instagram. It's a Instagram user. Look guys, why it's giving error? Because the case is getting duplicated with the case 1. So you need to give always unique case. So case number 4, I can say case number 40 also, not a problem. It should be unique. So case 4, it's just like for understanding, so for better understanding, I am marking it as an ascending order, so that it will be easily readable, easily debuggable. So yeah, now let's run the program, and if user type is 1, we have said it's a Facebook user. So now let us quickly run the program. Yeah, look, it's a FB user. Now if suppose I'll say the value is 4, what's the output here? According to me, the output should be Instagram user. Look, it's the Instagram user. Now let's suppose if we give 40, what is the output here? Because that case is not mentioned. So the control will go into default default statement. Now here we haven't mentioned anything. Let us mention here. So we can mention here none of the ID found. Now let us run it as, look, none of the ID found, because there is no case 40 is mentioned. So the control will go into default. Now let's suppose there is one more catch. If I remove this break, what will happen? Let's suppose I remove this case break. Now I'll give user type is as a 1, and let me run the program. What happens? We'll see the significance of break also, guys. So look, it's a FB user, it's a Google user. So it's a both kind of user. So if you remove break, the control flow will not stop here. It will go to next, block. And if you keep break here, okay, if you keep break here, the control will get break here. So that's that is all, switch statement, guys. So if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comments. And thanks for tuning in. Thank you.